सो हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं सिड, आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल पे सिड स्पोर्ट्स पर। सो दिस टाइम वी आर ब्रिंगिंग अ स्मॉल चैंपियन एंड यू विल सी। सो लेट्स बिगिन। So hello everyone, we are now with our little India player. Can you imagine her age? She is just 10-year-old and she has represented India in gymnastics. And her name is Rishya Kumaraswamy. So hello.
Hello,
So tell me about yourself, like what you are doing right now, which standard are you studying?
I'm studying in fifth standard now. I am six this year.
Okay. So how's your school and everything going on?
Nice.
Okay. So first of all, like you're so small and you're just like 10-year-old and you have been representing India. It's like great moment for you and for your family, everyone, and your coach also.
Yes.
So when you started to play gymnastics?
I started gymnastics at the age of 7.
Okay, and like you just mastered in 3 years. Good. So now, like, tell me, what's your journey from beginning to the like winning the gold medal for India?
We just came for a walk
Okay.
and we saw the people doing flips and all of those. I liked it
Okay.
and
That's how you got into it.
yes.
Uh,
Yes.
Tell me.
And my mom told, "Are you interested in gymnastics?" So I told I'm interested in gymnastics. So I want to do gymnastics. So she's like, come, let's talk to the coach. So we went in. The coach told us, first she has to
What? She has to?
uh,
It's fine, huh? She has to what? Tell me, nah? Think, take a time, take your time. It's fine. She has to be like concerned towards it, something like that.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And he told, from tomorrow you can come for practice. So from tomorrow you have to come for practice and you have to give the entry fees, which is 25 rupees. Okay. Then I started going for gymnastics and I started with the competitions.
Okay. So you went there, like you didn't know that you wanna like pursue the career in gymnastics. You just went like playing it. You liked it, so when you went to playing it.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you realized, like your parents or your coach told you that yeah, you can continue it as a career and you could represent your country. When you got to realize it.
When I was in fourth standard, and my coach told me, if you practice well, you can represent India.
Okay.
So in Nagpur, we stayed in a hostel. We had a separate hostels, like rooms, separate rooms where we stay. We like small. Okay, then elders stay in the other room next to us, and
Okay. How was the practice?
and we used to get up at 5 o'clock and take bath and get ready and keep all our stuffs and costumes, and we go to the stadium. Then we practice for 2 hours. Then the competition starts, and we play the competition, and that's it.
So, what like some experience where you went to Nagpur, you played there at the national. So it's 2 hours of practice, then the competition, then the rest of the day you did something going out and like uh, seeing things, enjoying.
We'll come back from the competition. It will be night. Then we'll do dinner and we'll go to sleep.
That's it. The whole day you just need to practice, competition, and then sleep. Wake up next day,
Yes.
do the same thing. Okay. You won all the competition in nationals or like not all?
All.
All competition.
Yes.
Okay, good.
No, but some I only one I didn't win.
One you didn't win.
Which
Okay.
was in Bangalore.
Which was in Bangalore, you didn't win that one. Else all you win.
Yeah.
Okay. So like then after you got nationals, you're doing good. How you got like first time? How was your experience when you got to know you're selected in Indian team? You want to play like for India. How was it?
I was very happy.
Mm-hmm.
Me and my friends were selected, so we were happy. We started jumping
Okay.
and screaming.
Okay.
When we were going back in the car to our house, and that's it.
Who got you the first notification that you got selected? Mom, dad, or coach?
No, coach.
Coach got the notification. How was your family's reaction when they came to know, oh, you're going to play for India?
They were very happy.
Okay. How was your mom's reaction because she took you first time?
Yeah, very, very happy.
Okay, very, very happy. Okay. Then you went there to competition. What was the schedule in Thailand when you went there for international?
First in the morning we should take bath and all of those. Then we used to pack our stuffs and we used to go for breakfast where was next to the stadium.
Okay.
And we used to eat breakfast, which was some muffins or something.
Okay.
We used to not find anything because there was something else.
Okay.
They used to eat non-veg. We are not supposed to eat non-veg that day. Then we used to eat donuts or something else, and we will go to the stadium and do practice for 1 hour.
Then competition.
Yes.
And like in Thailand also the competition was till the night or you got some free up time like 3 or 4 and then you went outside for like
yeah, we went to the lunch and we came back. Then we had mixture and trio, and we went back for dinner and we went to sleep.
Oh, so like it's so hard, tough and hard schedule. Okay. So I think you guys need to maintain your fitness really well, and like you have to be. So first time you won the international medal, the gold medal. How was your reaction?
Yeah.
How was you like? You can't believe something. Like what was the reaction?
We didn't knew that we won the gold medal.
Okay.
We were shocked. Me and my friends were shocked that we won the first prize. So and we couldn't believe it.
How was your coach's reaction? Like who was the coach at that time? How was like you guys won it?
He was happy. He told us you need to practice more.
Like as we know, it's really hard to like build a career in any sport or anything without support of your parents. I think it's very less number of people who did that. So how your parents supported you in this journey?
My parents supported me in the start, and when the competitions were there, they supported me a lot.
So like all we know, all of us know that discipline is the key to success. So what discipline you need to follow in gymnastics as per as your experience?
We are supposed to go daily. So if we will not come for a day, so they say they'll remove us from gymnastics.
Okay. And like so you are like one of the Dangal girls for us who did really nice and like you're an example to be seen. So in that movie we saw like the first competition that girl faced was against competing against boys. So how was your experience first time?
First time I was very scared to get go on the stage.
Okay.
And I did it.
You did it. As per as your sport which you do, how are you able to maintain your fitness?
We have some exercise. We do it in the night before going to home.
Okay.
And we do all the pull-ups and all of those things. And
as you have played for India, it's like from a small child to being and representing India, whom you want to give all the credits for it?
I want to give all the credits to my coach and my family members who supported me.
I want to know about your coach a bit more. Can you tell me about him?
My coach is a very strict person. We need to follow his rules. And
like, does he punish also if you don't follow a rule? And like, what's your experience there with you under your coach?
He doesn't punish us. He scolds us. That's it.
So, is it easy to represent India in gymnastics, or is it tough? According to you, what you have felt?
It is tough to represent India.
Okay. And how is the competition like reaching to that level? How you faced it?
It was very tough.
Okay. And who like what made you what you did to reach at that level? Like what your coach told always like do this, do this, do this, and you'll reach till that point.
Yes.
Okay. So he used to just give you practice, like practice, 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 and that's what makes you represent India one day.
Yes.
Okay. So have you ever like questioned your coach or like it's like suppose I'm also a sports person, I play cricket. Suppose if my coach tell me to do a drill, I do it 100 times, 200 times. I got bored. No, I don't want to do this. I want to do something else. I want to go and bat in. Have you ever asked question like that, or he shouted like you should do only practice?
No.
Okay, good. Like at the age which you are playing right now, you have represented India at the age of 10. As being like I can give my example, I have not played India, still I am right now even represent the state level like that. So it's a great moment to wear that jersey and like having India on your jersey and like proud moment for you. So how will you like to advise the children like at your age 7 or 6 you started, how will you like to advise them to like represent India?
I used to tell them practice more. Practice makes man perfect.
Okay, practice makes perfect. But somewhat like you wanna tell that what's the right age at yours, like yours in gymnastic, what should be according to you the right age to start it?
5 years.
5 years. So first of all, thank you so much for giving your time, and like it's a great moment to sit a person who's like representing India. And the best part is like you can sit a fit there who's 26 or 27 which plays India, but you're just 10 years old. And that what's make me like motivated and inspiration. Wow, she's just 10 years old and she has been representing India. Okay. So like I wanna just thank like you did it really nice, and thank you so much for what you did for nation and for giving us so much time.
You're welcome.
So guys, if you find this video helpful for you, please share with your friend, like कर दो, subscribe कर दो, and फटाफट से share कर दो दोस्तों. So thank you so much for watching.